Today we're removing the front door panel and speaker from a Cadillac CTS. We're going to start with our pry bar and move to the handhold and pry the top edge of this small oval plate from the door, releasing clips. This panel will pull back from the door and you can remove it and set it to the side. With the screwdriver you can access two screws at the bottom of the handhold, one towards the front of the door panel and one towards the back of the door panel. At the back of the door panel, at the door lock, we're going to unlock the door, and with our small flathead screwdriver pry the small opening to release a tab on the door lock mechanism here, and this will allow you to pull the lock up and set it to the side. When reinstalling this door lock piece, you will have to line the door, place the switch back onto the shaft, make sure the door is unlocked, and push the lock in. We're going to move on with our pry bar at the top edge of the door panel and gently pry the edge of it back to release one clip. Be sure this clip is loose in later steps when removing the door panel. We're going to move to the trim panel around the door handle with the door lock switches and pry the bottom edge loose, work our way across the top. This will release clips and this will allow you to slightly pull the panel forward from the panel. We're going to locate the connector at the door lock switch. This is a lift the trigger to release the connector. Once the trigger's lifted, you'll be able to release the connector back. Work this panel off over the door open handle and set this to the side. With your pry bar, start at the back bottom edge of the door panel, prying it from the door, releasing clips. Work your way across the bottom all the way to the front and up the edges. This will allow you to pull the door panel slightly back from away from the door, lift it slightly up over the door lock linkage, and be sure the front clip is released. Check the door for any door panel clips that weren't released and place them back on the door ready for installation. Now there is a trick when it comes to reinstalling this door panel. On the door itself is a connector at a conjunction box here, and on the door panel is a second connector. These two have to mate when pushing the door panel back into place. You can see this connector through the oval opening from the panel we replaced earlier. The speaker will have a connector on top. It's secured into the door panel with 4 screws. See our website for speaker phasing and hookup. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.